Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss in brief about the intensity shifts, especially in the UV region. There are four important shifts. One being bathochromic shift, second one is hypsochromic shift, third one is hyperchromic shift, and the fourth one is hypochromic shift. So moving to the bathochromic shift, which is also known as red shift. It is the shift towards the longer wavelength region due to the presence of oxochrome or due to the solvent effect. For example, if we consider benzene, it shows a characteristic absorption around 255 nanometers. Whenever NH2 group is introduced on the benzene nucleus, then it shows a characteristic absorption around 280 nanometers. So due to the presence of oxochrome here, there is a shift of lambda maximum towards the longer wavelength region. Coming to the hypsochromic shift, it is the shift towards the shorter wavelength region. So aniline shows the characteristic absorption around 280 nanometers. So if the same aniline is considered in the presence of an acid, then the absorption maximum will be shifted to shorter wavelength region due to the disturbance in the conjugation. In order to have a better understanding about the intensity shifts, always a graph will be drawn between wavelength and the intensity of absorption. So always in the UV region it yields a parabola. So bathochromic shift means always the wavelength will be shifted to longer wavelength region. So it is called as bathochromic shift or red shift. If the wavelength is shifted towards the shorter wavelength region, that is called as the hypsochromic shift, or it can also be called as blue shift. So if the intensity of the absorption is shifted to higher intensity region, that is called as hyperchromic shift. If the intensity is shifted to shorter intensity region, then it is called as hypochromic shift. Let us consider the examples related to the hyperchromic and hypochromic shift. Hypochromic shift means always there is increase in the intensity. So whenever if we consider pyridine, its intensity of absorption is absorbed around 2750. But whenever methyl group is introduced, that means in methyl pyridine, the intensity of absorption is around 3560. So definitely there is an increase in the intensity, and hence it is good example for hyperchromic shift. Coming to the hypochromic shift, always it is accompanied by the decrease in the intensity. So whenever if we consider biphenyl, it shows the characteristic absorption around 19,000. But whenever methyl group is introduced, that means in the case of 2-methyl biphenyl, the intensity of absorption will be dropped to 10,250. Here there is a decrease in the intensity of the absorption, and hence it is good example for hypochromic shift. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.